To enhance your personality and beauty, you need to select a good hairstyle, right? But you may find it difficult to style your frizzy and dry hair, especially when it's plucked with static. No worries, in today's video, we have come up with the quick fixes for getting rid of static hair to let you create your hair look perfectly. There will be hardly anyone in this room who hasn't experienced staticky hair yet, right? It's a pretty common hair issue, especially during winter. Undoubtedly, this leaves your hair frizzy and challenging to do your desired style. Everyone faces static hair more or less, especially dry, damaged, and brittle hair is more prone to static. Baffling about what mainly causes static hair? Well, through scientific explanation, static happens when there is an imbalance of positive or negative charges. And positive to positive charges repel each other, and negative to negative would do the same. But negative and positive will stick together. To simplify, it occurs when your hair generates an electric charge by gaining extra electrons due to the change of humidity. So, when you wear a scarf, hat, or comb your hair, electrons can build up. After taking them off, your hair becomes positively charged and repels each other like magnets. Quick fixes on getting rid of static hair. Starting with moisturizing your hair, which is a pretty common yet essential step for your hair. To fight frizzy hair, you need to wash your hair with a moisturizing shampoo to keep your scalp nourished, so your hair shaft stays flexible. When it comes to maintaining optimal moisture level, you must pick a detergent-free shampoo that takes care of your natural hair protective layer without making it dry. To goodbye your frizzy hair, you can try out the Marc Bye Bye Frizz Smoothing Shampoo that promotes smooth and glossy hair and makes your hair more manageable. This moisture-rich shampoo offers the goodness of amino acids, vitamin E, and keratin silk complex to reduce dry and static hair. When it comes to keeping your frizzy static hair smooth and shiny, nothing can be better than properly conditioning it. Hence, never skip the conditioner, and it's crucial to pick a deep one. Conditioners are designed to seal your hair cuticle and create a deep layer of moisturizer to avoid dryness. As a result, your hair cannot get dry easily even when there is low humidity during winter. As a bonus, we are suggesting the Olaplex, which deeply conditions your hair for the longest period. And it's a highly moisturizing and reparative conditioner to give your static hair ultimate protection. Next comes a harmful chemical agent that makes your hair too dry to be static. Alcohol is one of them, and most hair products contain alcohol. So before purchasing any hair care products, make sure that you have checked the ingredients list, whether there are any notoriously drying ingredients or not, especially in hairspray that contains alcohol. Therefore, to avoid static hair, make sure that you're using a 100% alcohol-free product. To fix your static hair on the go, you should have an instant product in your handbag. Wondering what it can be? Well, keep a leave-in conditioner or your regular non-sticky hair oil. Simply rub a small amount of it in your palms and run your fingers through your dry hair. It will instantly smooth your hair with a natural shine and keep your hair manageable. For leave-in products, you can simply check out the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, which comes in compact and easily carryable packaging, and you can get shiny and textured hair anytime, anywhere. Another instant solution for your static hair is using a dryer sheet from your laundry. Sounds unusual? Yes, it's a simple and quick hack to grab laundry sheets and gently run them over your head. It works as an anti-frizz sheet by neutralizing the charge in your hair. Although it's just a hack for emergencies, hairstylists don't recommend it. So don't use it frequently, especially when your scalp is sensitive and causes irritation. You might have already noticed that your plastic or metal comb causes static hair. That's because they have a positive electric charge and your hair has a negative electrical charge. This attracts your hair to brushes and makes your hair frizzy. So try to use wooden and boar bristle combs or brushes. Here we have the recommendation for you, the Onedor Handmade hair combs. This natural wood hair is made with anti-static sandalwood that smoothly brushes through your hair and also ensures proper blood circulation. So these are the quick fixes on getting rid of static hair. Hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find your videos helpful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.